Today, I'm going to show you how to clone an agent in Base44 in just a few simple steps. If you want to quickly duplicate an existing agent instead of building one from scratch, this is the fastest way to do it. This is especially useful when you already have an agent set up the way you like and you want to reuse the same structure for a new workflow. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, look at the top of the left navigation bar and click Agents. This will take you into the Agents area of Base44 where all of your available agents are managed. Once you're in the Agents section, click All Agents. This helps you view the full list so you can find the exact agent you want to duplicate. Now, locate the agent you want to clone. On the right side of that agent, click the three dots menu. This opens the Actions menu for that specific agent. From the options that appear, click Clone Agent. Base44 will create a copy of that agent for you, allowing you to use it as a starting point for your next setup. And that's it. Your agent has been cloned. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this one.